one thing that we need to give to Uthobile Msilego is that the Msilego kids love her, you guys. She is that fun mother. And like when you look at it, it might seem like, guys, it's something that's easy because Uthobile. But guys, Usis Tenjin, like that is a polygamous family. It's a very big family. So for you to be in a position where majority of the kids love you and enjoy your presence is a very big thing, you guys. I feel like Uthobile relates so well with all the kids. She doesn't have beef with people's children. She loves those kids, and genuinely so. You can see with the last episode, Izingane Zestembu, when Umpilo was planning she was planning Lwandle's birthday and she went to go and speak to Uthobile about it. The way she was speaking with Uthobile, you can see that Uthobile she's fun and she's fun with them, but there's still boundaries. They still respect her at the end of the day. Umpilo has the time of her life with Uthobile, which is technically her mother. But you can still see there's boundaries. The way she gets along with Umnini, the way she gets along with Mbali's children, she gets along with all of these kids, you guys. And I know that she puts effort. Not only that, she's easygoing. And I know that it's not an easy thing, Estenjin. Maybe it's much more easier for her to gel with all of these children because she doesn't. I don't want to say she doesn't have children of her own because those are her own children. But I think there's just some people who have a heart for kids and they really get along so well with kids. And I think Uthobile is one of those people. Though we may call her out for the way she acts, like when it comes to her sister wives and all of that, but when it comes to the kids, guys, she is doing an excellent job that I don't see the other wives doing. The other wives are, they've got enough on their plates. Let's just put it in that way. They focus on their own households. It's rare to see the other wives like involved in the other children's lives like that. Like the way Uthobile is involved. I've even seen pictures of her with Usmindi with Mpumelelo's kids, which makes them her grandkids. She loves kids, you guys, and she is there for them Selegu household kids. And you know what? I love it for her. I love a woman that has gotten herself into a situation. She's well aware of the situation. She accepts the situation and she makes the best out of it. And truly, guys, she truly is making the best out of the whole situation, especially for the kids. And you know what? I think for that, we need to give her flowers for that. We need to give her flowers that she doesn't have favoritism when it comes to kids. She loves them. And to me, quite frankly, it looks like she treats them equally. Tell me what you guys think about this. Tell me if you guys have seen this about Uthobile as well. Anyway, please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is for free of charge. And I'll see you on the next one.